To add the payment method to your Squarespace website, you need to connect the payment processor like Stripe, PayPal, or Square to accept payments from your customers. Here's how to do it. Access the payment settings, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your home menu. Click on Commerce if you're on an online store plan, or go to Settings, Payments if you're adding payments for services, donations, or digital products. Connect to Stripe. Click on Connect Stripe to start the process. If you don't have a Stripe account, you will be prompted to create one. Complete the necessary forms to link your bank account and allow Squarespace to integrate with Stripe. Once connected, you can accept all major credit cards. Add PayPal. Click Connect PayPal and sign into your PayPal account. Authorize Squarespace to link with PayPal. This will allow you to accept payments from PayPal users. Add Square for in-person payments. If you're selling in person, you can connect Square to handle physical transactions using the Square card reader. Save changes. Once connected, the payment methods will be active and you can start accepting payments from customers.